Hello, everybody. We're going to learn how to use the imperative in this lesson. We form the imperative in the following way. Affirmative. We remove the preposition to from the infinitive. Go, come, jump, speak. Negative. We add the auxiliary verb don't. Don't go. Don't come. Don't jump. Don't speak. The meaning of the imperative is very clear. It's an order. Okay, friends, we're going to play a little game together, and it is very easy to understand. Everything that I say, you all must do, okay? Listen very carefully. Open your mouth. Put your hands in your pockets. Take off your shoes. Put your finger on your nose. Very good. Now, let's practice with a negative game. Don't look at me. Don't stand up. Don't eat the chocolate. Don't play the computer games. Okay, my friends. Very good. Well done, everybody. We have finished with the imperative video. Let's continue practicing with the material in this module. Good luck and see you in the next video.